It is the weekend. I am on my holiday break from work. And the first thing we want to do is build our plastic room for furniture right here and clean this up a little bit. So our plan is to build walls around this canvas drop cloth and cover everything in plastic. There it is. Well, it's Monday, and today is my first full free day off. And I want to be productive, so I've got a lot of stuff to do. I want to clean. Our kitchen needs cleaned, and I want to try to fix our bathtub, which I probably won't get to. But cleaning and extracting carpets is on the top of the list. And after getting that room set up downstairs yesterday, the plastic room, the rest of the basement needs cleaned before I can make any more of a mess. So that's what I'm going to get to right now. Well, I got the carpets extracted and the kitchen pretty much clean. All the cupboards clean. I need to figure out something to do right now. I got some presents I need to wrap and a bunch of stuff to clean in the basement. Let's go take a look at the basement. So my goal for these 4 weeks off is to make our basement a little more usable again. Gotta get rid of recycling, work on this thing. Want to get rid of these paintings, all these paintings just sitting down here. Get rid of some of this stuff that we aren't going to use. There's a lot to do. I need to go through all of this stuff. Finish some coasters up there. I got some coasters over here that need resin. More paintings that I need to get rid of. Lots more paintings. More coasters. Just a bunch of stuff laying everywhere. I want to get this organized down here so I can start hacking away at this furniture. The whole point of this room is to start moving some furniture, because this stuff, redone furniture, sells pretty quickly and makes us some decent money. Christmas projects that we're pretty much done with this year. End tables that need a lot of work. It's just so much. Okay, what needs to happen is this thing needs to go. I'm try and sell this on Marketplace or give it away on Marketplace. It's taking up space. And then there's a big table back there that I might try to sell on Marketplace or just get rid of. And these table legs might be good to sell just for the legs, pretty cheap at a thrift store. So I'm going to get those cut out and organize this little area right here. I decided this is going to the side of the road. I took a cord organizer out of it to make a table from a previous video, so it's missing that. This leg is broken. I mean, it kind of works. Maybe I'll post it. No, it's going to the side of the road. Someone will pick it up. Yeah, going to the side of the road. All right, I gotta see how these come apart. I imagine they're just glued in here. But I may have to cut these right off. Yeah, they're just glued in. I'm gonna try to use this to cut them off. All right, I got all the legs off. Now I thought maybe I can make like a candle, floor candlesticks, but I don't know. I don't think so. That's the only thing I could think of to use these for. If I sort of cut them up, cut them down, because this one's all busted up. Or I just bundle them together and sell them for $4, which I think is what I'm gonna do. Yep, those are gonna be for sale because they look cool and rusticy. So while I was cleaning, I got inspiration or motivation or something and started 2 projects. Started a little side table, rusticy, very rustic side table, and a blanket box to get rid of one of the drawers. Now it's time to turn some music on and actually clean and organize. There's a bunch of stuff I've got to do, especially in here. This table's going out to the side of the road because I don't know what we did with the bolts for the legs, and the legs are in pretty poor shape, so I'm going to toss that. I'm not going to deal with it. And then there's some other things I want to do over here to organize this area. But that's it for this vlog. I'm going to end it here and pick up with the rest of it in the next vlog. See how far I get. I got to edit this. It's actually day of. I'm supposed to post this today. So I haven't even started editing the video, so I've got to get it edited off my camera and edited. So that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.